Hello everyone and welcome back to our solution designing course. In this episode, we are going to continue the next section. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to make a best-selling dishes section and then uh, this banner section. So okay, let's get started. Okay, I need. Okay, I will open Figma and then open the project. Okay, it's open. So first of all, I will copy this one or I can copy this one. Just like that. Then I will copy it and paste it and drag it down here. And that's perfect. So in the next, okay, it will be popular. Okay, all in caps. Popular food. Now I will select it and you can see here it's a little bit small and upward, not in center. So just I will just we need to do like 24, 32, and I think 28 is perfect. 28 is perfect. Yeah. Then select it and move it into the center. So that's perfect. Okay, a little bit more. Yeah, that's perfect. So what I need to do next? Let's copy this best selling dishes and paste it in here. And it's perfect. Now we need cards. Now in the next, I will copy both of this. Control Z. Let's copy this. Control C, Control V, and drag down it here. Uh, Wait. Now copy both of this. Control C. Okay, perfect. Just let's select image and make it control. Make it upwards. Same here. And just the last thing we need this one also and this one also. So let's move it up and by holding control plus like that and move it to forward. Move it forward. Same for this. And okay, that's control forward. Yeah, that's perfect. Now we, now we need to zoom a little by control plus select this pizza. Okay, its height is same as 180 and just like that, align it into front. Same goes here and align it to the front. That, yeah, now that's perfect. Now select it and same goes for hair 180. Yeah, that's perfect. And for the last, same goes 180 and just drag down it. And let's move it here. So now here our section is ready. So you can see how we make it. Okay, first of all, I will align it into the center. This is moving, and let's lock it up so it can move. So you can see how we make us this section fastly. And now let's move to the next section. So the next section is not hard too much. Just we need to do select this banner and move and make it a little bit larger like that. Extend it and same goes for here. Control left, control off, control that. Yeah, that's really perfect what I did. Let's move pizza to the front. Let's add pizza here and with the banner let's move a little bit down like that. Now we need text, so we will the just copy this one, that, and just copy it, paste it, and just down drag down it here like that, and control plus right square bracket. Yeah, that's perfect. Now align them perfectly. Today's special food. Just select it and type today. Today's special food. Or just copy it and with the red color and just paste it and add today special food. Now let's select the text and go to the size and make it a little smaller, like about. Let's move the pizza here and make it a little bit smaller so we can add text. That's perfect. And let's add our text here and make it more smaller. About 64 is perfect. And let's select it and make the color about. Let's small it. We know didn't need a big size. Let's change the color to the red. Then copy it, paste it, and just drag down it. Control that. Copy it, paste it, and just drag down here. What's happening? Control that. Copy it, paste it, drag down it here. and limit uh, limited limited sorry. Okay, sorry, limits, not limited. Limits, limits time offer. Copy all, select all, away with capital O, limits time offer, and let's change the fill to orange. Okay, select it. Now drag down here. Too many colors. And let's change to orange like that. Now select the button, align it here. Now you can see how we make this section really fast. So that's for the wait a minute. Let's adjust it. How about if we wait a minute and drag it up here and just like that. Select it, and we don't need it into bold. Just semi bold is perfect, and more smaller than it. And select the button and move up it here and drag down like that and select it and move it like that and just like that and select it here and move a little bit down and move it same like it and just make it a little bit like that. That's it. Let's move it a little bit up. Okay, now it's ready. It's completely ready. Now that's for the video. Okay, in the next episode, we will continue the other, this one, and uh, yeah, and we will continue this one and this section.